23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
And there goes our tree climber, ladies and gentlemen. Matthew, give him a big round of applause. 124 seconds behind. That is a massive handicap. If you look down the far end here, you will see that we have Andrew Cox from New Zealand already hit the turf, placed the axe in the tree pole for the reverse side. Matthew has a lot of work to do here. Comes Kyle Meyer on tree number 5, ladies and gentlemen. And John Ross, we know, has a strained wrist there on tree number 3 and is finding it difficult to control that axe. Another hit from Danny's going to come, but he's really hurting with a lot of pain at the moment, that sore wrist we spoke of earlier on. And Matthew Gurr is working very, very hard indeed. Now, some will think that Matthew's handicap is so steep, 124 seconds behind, that he is out of the equation. Allow me to tell you this, he is certainly not out of the equation. He will respond if you give him some encouragement, ladies and gentlemen. He's about to hit the turf. Look at this boy go. He's going to go now. Lex that middle on board and puts them where they need to be. He's in pursuit of Andrew Cox and Kyle Meyer, and he will respond to your encouragement if you keep giving it to him. He's about to take these boys over, I reckon, in about 15 seconds. This guy is a multiple world title holder in this particular tree felling championship event. When I say multiple, I mean something like 15 world titles. One of the best in the business in tree climbing is Matthew Gurr. Now, the first man to be up top is not going to be Matthew, it's going to be Andrew Cox from New Zealand, by the look of things, right down the far end. You can cheer him on a little bit, ladies and gentlemen. Andrew comes over to New Zealand every year to be a part of the championships here at the Royal Melbourne Show. An axe jam just cost Andrew around about 3 to 4 seconds. That all leaves him Matthew's favourite. He's up the top now, ladies and gentlemen. Cheer him on. The race home goes into the wood chopping arena. Andrew Cox, the small man from New Zealand at the course, and Matthew Gurr, the world champion from Tasmania, and they're going hammer and tongs. Kyle Meyer just got that axe out of the log there, bang, he's got 2 hits up, or 2 hits down, and Matthew Gurr is going to be a winner here, ladies and gentlemen. I reckon from where I'm seated, and it's going to be an easy win, I think, for Matthew. He's going to do it fairly well, and there it goes. Down the road, goes that log in first place. Andrew Cox is just going to get that log off in second place. It's going to be nose to nose. We'll move into the next round, the final. Andrew has a lot of wood over here to try and break. He's got that lock and twist, but you've got to get that lock to fall off. Don't forget, this is a very tiresome event for these guys, and you need that lock to fall off quite easily and cleanly. He's got the lock and twist, another blow or two, and there is sense of urgency. He's down it falls, and Andrew's going to take that second place, ladies and gentlemen, to move into the next round. Kyle Meyer, one more hit, hanging by a thread, down it goes, oh, just a good heart to the ball, and down that goes there, ladies and gentlemen. Well done indeed for those